Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has reiterated the central role of Prime Minister Narendra Modi in addressing the ongoing crisis in the state. There is no question of the Prime Minister coming or not coming. All current activities in Manipur, including security measures, relief work, development initiatives and peace talks between the Kuki and Meitei communities are being carried out under the Prime Minister leadership, stated Chief Minister Biren Singh. The Chief Minister also highlighted a recently adopted resolution aimed at reviewing and enhancing efforts to restore peace in Manipur. In light of the current situation, we have resolved to evaluate our actions under the guidance of the Home Minister and the Prime Minister to bring peace soon. There has been peace here for several days now, he added, signaling a commitment to sustain peace and stability in the region. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh has strongly defended Prime Minister Narendra Modi amidst criticism from Rahul Gandhi and the Congress Party, asserting that the state government remains in the constant communication with the Prime Minister regarding all aspects from security measures to relief operations. Seeking in response to allegation that Prime Minister Modi has not visited violence-affected areas in Manipur, Chief Minister Biren emphasized whether Prime Minister Modi visits Manipur or not is a separate matter. However, all our efforts, including rescue operation and relief distribution, are carried out under his leadership. He remains closely connected and brief on every development. The remarks by Chief Minister Biren come amid escalating political tensions following violence in Manipur, with the Congress questioning the adequacy of central government support.
और आज का बातचीत का जो चल रहा है पीस दोनों
प्राइम मिनिस्टर कब आने का उम्मीद है?
अरे प्राइम मिनिस्टर आने का नहीं आने का कोई सवाल ही नहीं है। प्राइम मिनिस्टर जो भी मणिपुर में जो अभी कर रहा है, सिक्योरिटी के मेजर्स हो, रिलीफ का हो, डेवलपमेंट का हो, और आज का बातचीत का जो चल रहा है पीस दोनों समुदाय के बीच में जो शुरू किया है, ये भी सब ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर के नेतृत्व में हो रहा है। वो सुधारने के बाद में उसका हमने नहीं बोल सकते।
कल दफ्तर अजय ने मणिपुर का प्रभारी जो नया जो उसने बताया था कि ये प्राइम मिनिस्टर आने का बात
नहीं, वो सेंट्रल लेवल में डिस्कस किया होगा। हम लोग को तो ये संभालना है। वी हैव टू सॉल्व द इश्यूज। वी शुड ट्राई फ्रॉम आवरसेल्फ कि सबको मिलकर बात करना वो जरूरी है।